Okay, I just bought a used F-150 Super Crew a couple weeks ago. And as everybody knows that owns one, getting this seat back down so you can access the hidden storage compartment is a pain in the butt because you have to lift the bottom of the seat up like so you can get it to come forward a hair, and then you have to put your hand down there and search around for this tiny little lever and then pull up on it after you step up on the running board if you're vertically challenged. So I decided to think of a better way, and I made one of these. Right there. I took a piece of paracord, the smallish 275 type, and I did a standard cobra weave, and then up at the top I have a black carabiner that goes around the seat post. And so you just reach your hand on that, grab onto the paracord, pull up. You don't even have to pull very hard, and voila, you have access to the secret storage compartment, which I have to clean mine up. Oh, and by the way, anybody that doesn't know, you take off this panel right here, this stuff, remove this bracket, and then this stuffy stuff comes off, and you pull that forward, and you will find the code to your keyless entry if you don't have the code. So that's just another tip. All right, bye.